Hello?
Frequency mode.
Eastern Daylight Time. This includes the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Dawson, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Hart. For the latest, you can also like your
Oh, KC80.
on Facebook, WS Atlanta on Twitter. This hazardous weather outlook is proportions of north should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Later strong sun moving from west to east will cross the area between mid-morning and late afternoon. Locally, heavy rain could also result in small streams, as well as elevated urban areas. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damage, chance of rain 90% to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 186 has been issued for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Albert, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Raymond, Stevens, Townsend, and White, and the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cherokee, Clay, Cleveland, Davie, Gaston, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Mitchell, Hull, Bryan, Rutherford, Greene, Transylvania, Union, Watauga, Oaks, and Yancey, and the following. It was partly sunny, 74 degrees. Wind southwest at 14 miles an hour. Gusting to 25 miles.
I've never heard a watch hit the limit before, but I don't think KC80 has relayed that. I have my footage recording at home, but we'll find out. I'm going to get WGUP right here.
Locally, heavy rain could also. Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, northwestern Clay County in southwestern North Carolina until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Andrews, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Andrews, Marble, and Topton. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, northwestern White County in northeastern Georgia, southern Union County in north-central Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Camp Merrill, Oregon, 8 miles northwest winds 5 Camp Merrill, or 8 miles northwest of Dahlonega, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dahlonega, such as Camp Merrill, Whitley Gap Shelter, Low Gap Shelter, Camp Coleman Lake, Old Town, Mobile State Park, Hawk Mountain Shelter, Miss Delwood Conservation R, Porter Springs, Turner's Corner, Limboil, Blood Mountain Shelter, Gannett Town, Mountain Shelter. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Georgia. For your protection, move to an Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: White, Georgia. The National Weather near Andrews, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Damage to 60 miles per hour and quarter size. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minus. Vehicle is expected to power blade wind damage to trees.
What?
Marble, Regis Mountain, Limboil,
I'm getting something else.
in effect until Eastern Daylight Time for Western North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors. Struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-867-8101 or by posting on our Facebook using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Graham, Macon, and Swain. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina. 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 9 miles west of Pickens. Moving east at 40 miles per hour. Miles per hour with gusts and 25 radar indicated. Impact. Power lines. Locations impacted include Pickens, Slater Marietta, Lake Kiowee, Pleasant Ridge State Park, Jocassee Gorges, Lake Jocassee, Devil's Fork State Park, Kiowee-Tucksoy State Park, Table Rock State Park, and Pumpkin Town. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Duquesne, indoors for thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be on the water in the thunderstorm. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenville, Oconee, and Pickens. The National Weather Service in Green